Greetings all. My name is Amrita Gandhar. I am from Bafiji and I am a school teacher by profession. With the help of this video, I will demonstrate how my web quest can be used as a teaching tool. What is a web quest? It is an online learning tool for students. It is a web-based lesson. Why should we use a web quest in our classrooms? According to Mr. Furyaki, ED350 Course Coordinator, ICT, computer, and internet skills are a key to progress in today's education. Our students need these skills. We need these skills also. Now that you all have seen what is a web quest and why it should be used, let's all go to the web quest that I have created. To go to my web quest, you can type in Zunal-Amrita Gandhar and search. You will come to the results and on the web quest that I have created, and then you can go to the web quest by clicking on the results. On the web quest, you will see the title and the author's page. The reason for using Zunal.com was that it comes with inbuilt templates. On the left-hand side of the author's page, we see the critical components of the web quest. And in this presentation, we will be visiting all the critical components. The author's page briefly gives information about the author. It is very important that before students go through the web quest, they have a chance of looking at who has designed the web quest. Let's go on to the title page. The title page is a page that provides a brief outline on what concepts will be covered. For example, for my web quest, the title page outlines the title, description. It gives a brief description of what the web quest is about, the grade level, curriculum, and the keywords that the web quest will deal with, like algebra, coefficients, variables, like terms, unlike terms, polynomials, monomials, and simplifying algebraic polynomials. Please note that I have also made use of animation. I believe that students will only be attracted to an activity if it seems motivational to them. Let's go on to the next page, which is the introduction page. The introduction page is a very important page in the web quest. Not only it should have a motivational effect on the students, it must also provide an insight into what the concept is about. For my introduction, I have used a teacher called Miss Tori, who is going to take the students in the world of algebra. In my introduction, I have included some resources. In order to make my introduction interesting, I have included resource number 1, which is a song that Simba sings in a cartoon. And the students must play on this and then sing aloud with Simba. The next resource that I have included is on the history of algebra. It is very important that before we teach a concept to students, we teach them a little bit of history on the concept. I believe this leads to greater understanding. The third resource that I have used is an inquiry-based question where the students are left with a problem. Since my topic is on algebra, My resource is based on a question which leaves them with the question on how to add algebraic terms. That's the question that I have posted. What did Little Maui buy? Little Maui goes shopping and buys 1 apple and 2 bananas. What is the total of all he bought? The students need to ponder upon this question as they go through the web quest. The other components of the web quest are the task page. The task page helps in setting the tone of the web quest. It gives students a brief idea on what are all the tasks that they need to perform in the web quest. For example, in this web quest, the first task that they will perform is identifying variables, coefficients, and indices. Task 2 is identifying like terms and unlike terms, and task 3 is on simplifying polynomials and subtracting the terms. For the task, the students are to work in groups.